glacier to do some snowmobiling. We've been driven this far in this. We thought that was a big car, but now we're moving on to this.
Then you can use the brake because you will slow down. And when we start to drive, and if you're going to the right, you will lie to the right. To the right.
So, we're on a glacier in the middle of Iceland. I can't pronounce it, but it's a very, very big one. And we're on a snowmobile. And we're about to go snowmobile driving, which is going to be amazing, I hope. It's a glorious setting, so yeah, let's give it a go. About 20 minutes now, and it's absolutely glorious. It's kind of like ice cream all around you, and the weather's beautiful too. That's it, we've just finished our time on the glacier and it was absolutely amazing, really exhilarating, and yeah, I just want to do it again now. It's one of the best things I've ever done.